If you've forgotten your TikTok password and want to get back into your account, don't worry, we're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your TikTok password. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select Login. Then tap Get Help Signing In. Choose whether you want to reset with your email address or phone number. For this tutorial, I'll be choosing email. Type in the email address you use for TikTok, then tap the arrow button. Check your inbox for a message from TikTok. Tap the green Change Password button. A page will open in your device's browser. Type in what you want your new password to be, then type the same password in the second text box to confirm. When you're finished, tap Change. Once you've reset your password, you can go back to TikTok and sign into your account with your new password. That's all it takes to reset your TikTok password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.